Begin by unboxing your Spectrum Xumo Stream box. Connect the box to your TV using an HDMI cable. For better audio, use HDMI ARC. Plug the power adapter into the box and a power outlet. Turn on your TV and select the correct HDMI input. For stable connection, use Ethernet cable to your router. Alternatively, connect to your home Wi-Fi network. Ensure minimum 25 MB for HD streaming, 100 MB for 4K. Power on the Xumo Stream box and follow the on-screen prompts to select your language and connect to your Wi-Fi network. Log in using your existing Spectrum account credentials or create a new account via the Spectrum website or app. Activation links the box to your account, granting access to Spectrum's channel lineup and on-demand content. The Spectrum TV app, Xumo free streaming service, and other popular apps like Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, YouTube, and Prime Video come pre-installed. Download more apps from the built-in App Store. Use voice search to easily find content. For troubleshooting, reset your router for Wi-Fi issues or verify your account information for activation errors. QR code scanning is now supported for quicker setup.